Today, we're tackling a common problem unable to confirm payment method on Discord. Let's dive right in. So, you're trying to make a purchase on Discord, but you keep getting an error saying unable to confirm payment method. This can really be frustrating, but don't worry. Today, I'm here to help you fix it. There are a few common reasons why this might be happening, and I'll guide you through each one step by step. First, let's check your payment information. Open Discord and go to user settings. Now then go to billing section. Here you'll see your payment methods. Make sure your credit card or PayPal information is correct and up to date. If there's not, click on add payment method and enter your payment method. Now ensure that your billing address matches the one your bank or credit card company has on file. Sometimes a mismatch can cause the payment method confirmation to fail. You can update your billing address in the same billing section. Another reason you might be seeing this error is if there are insufficient funds in your account. Double check your bank account or PayPal balance to ensure you have enough funds to complete the transaction. Sometimes the bank or credit card users might block the transaction for security reasons. If you suspect this might be the case, then give them a call and let them know you're trying to make a purchase on Discord. They can help you clear up any blocks or restrictions. If none of these solutions work, it's time to contact Discord support. Go to Discord support page and submit a request. And that's it. Those are the steps to fix the unable to confirm payment method issue on Discord. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share with anyone else who might be experiencing the same problem. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.